Google's next AI model isn't designed to chat. It's designed to act. And if Google succeeds, we won't just ask AI questions anymore. We'll give it objectives, and it will go complete them. This is much bigger than search. This is the beginning of AI agents. So what exactly is Google building? Why are AI agents becoming the next frontier? And what does a world powered by agents even look like? Let's break it down. Google has been quietly restructuring its strategy away from the traditional chatbot model and towards something far more ambitious: autonomous assistant agents that can operate apps, execute tasks, and make decisions without constant human input. This shift became clear when Google started integrating agent-style behaviors across Android, Workspace, and its new Gemini ecosystem. Instead of waiting for users to type a prompt, these systems actively observe context, suggest actions, automate workflows, and sometimes perform tasks on their own. To understand how big this is, we need to step back. The first wave of AI was generative, text, image, and video creation. The second wave added reasoning, tools like Gemini 2.0, GPT-5, Claude, and others. But the third wave is different. It's autonomy. Agents aren't here to entertain us. They are here to work. And Google has an advantage: it already controls the platforms where tasks happen: Android, Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Search, Docs, Calendar, Drive, and Workspace. These are not just apps. They are interfaces where billions of daily tasks get done. If you want to build an AI that acts, this is the perfect environment. For example, imagine emailing a client. An agent could draft the message, schedule the meeting, attach relevant documents, update your calendar, and summarize the outcome, all without manual input. Or imagine booking a flight. An agent could compare routes, check your schedule, redeem loyalty points, and fill in your details automatically. This is where chatbots fail: they answer, but they don't execute. Google believes the future is execution. Under the hood, Google's new model families are being trained not just to process language, but to plan actions, maintain memory, interact with tools, and operate with long-term context. These behaviors are not trivial. They require reasoning, multi-step planning, and the ability to break goals into subtasks. Google researchers refer to this shift as the move from conversation to agency. In the research world, agents are defined as AI systems that perceive, plan, act, and adapt over time. In simple terms, AI that gets things done. So why now? Because the hardware and software foundation is finally aligning. Gemini brings multimodal reasoning. TPUs provide massive compute. Android and Workspace provide execution services. And Google Assistant provides a starting interaction layer. But there's also external pressure. OpenAI, Anthropic, Meta, and xAI are all betting heavily on agents. Silicon Valley investors are pouring money into agent startups. Tech companies know that whoever controls the agent layer controls the operating system of the future. Search made Google the gatekeeper of online information. Agents could make someone the gatekeeper of human action. Internally, Google sees agents not just as products, but as replacements for entire workflows. Emails, scheduling, research, editing, travel, finance, millions of micro tasks that currently consume cognitive bandwidth could be automated away. For businesses, the value is even bigger. Agents could handle logistics, procurement, customer support, compliance, documentation, planning, and operations, tasks that swallow time and create friction at scale. But there's also a darker side. Agents blur the line between assistance and autonomy. If an AI books travel wrong, cancels a contract, misfiles a tax form, or purchases something on your behalf, who is responsible? These questions are already pushing governments to consider agent-specific regulations. The AI regulation wave that started with model transparency and compute reporting may soon expand into action-level oversight. Another open question is how humans will remain in the loop. Some researchers argue that humans will move from operators to auditors, approving tasks instead of performing them. Others believe the future will be hybrid. Agents will handle execution. Humans will handle judgment. And then there's economic disruption. If agents reduce the need for administrative labor, white-collar automation becomes a real factor. The first phase of AI replaced creativity and knowledge work. The next may replace coordination and decision-making. So where is Google headed next? Sources indicate that Google's upcoming releases will focus on deeper integration, memory, and tool access, enabling agents to operate across multiple apps with higher reliability and longer-term objectives. Google doesn't just want to build a chatbot competitor to GPT. It wants to build an operating system for goal completion. If Google pulls this off, the question of which AI gives the best answers becomes irrelevant. The real question becomes, which AI actually does the work? The shift from chatbots to agents is subtle, and then sudden. It starts with suggestions, then auto-completions, then actions, then full autonomy. Google's next model is not just here to talk. It's here to act. And that may change the relationship between humans and machines far more than any chatbot ever did. Outro. This is AI Pulse Daily, tracking the future of AI and the technologies shaping our next decade. Comment below. Would you trust an AI agent to manage your daily tasks?